Hello authors, welcome back to this video. In this video, we are going to learn and understand how to create a cover design for your book. So what you need to do is you can go to the dashboard or you can go to settings and go to cover designer. Okay, it's at the entry for this feature is at multiple places. So now the best possible scenario if you're writing an English book is using the AI2 text and image cover. If you want a simple cover, you can go to simple cover and experiment with it. Does not take any AI, plus it's just too black and white, so you'll probably not like it. Now, if you already have a cover, you can just upload your cover into this place, choose a book project and upload your cover. If you want a semi-AI sort of a cover, you can use AI generate. It's not going to create text on your front cover, but it's just going to append or insert text on top of whatever image you are supplying. So let's do AI2. This is the most interesting feature for creating a book cover. Okay, so let's say I created this book in the previous videos. It's Spirits, Snafus and a Serpent. Okay, it's a fiction book. I don't want a subtitle here. So next what we are going to do is you can add the ISBN, okay, and a price, let's say $3.99 or $4.99, whatever you feel is right. Okay, most importantly, your PDF that you generate while you wrote the book, that has to be the number of pages for that has to be correct. So let's just take it as 220 pages here, and let's take 5.5 into 8.5. The idea is when you open a book, so let's say go to projects, and when you open the advanced book, right, go next. Now when you keep going next, you first write your chapters, and once you're done with that, when you go to the print ready section over here, the trim size that you choose will create a PDF for you, and that PDF will be maybe 200 pages or 220 pages. So identify the trim size and identify the number of pages once you download that PDF. And once you have both, you can take the same trim size and take the total number of pages over here, and then you just take this book title. So I think the book title will already be there. Okay, no, so let's just take this book title over here, add it to this side. Okay, and you also need your author name to be added over here. Subtitle is optional. If you want to add a subtitle, add it. If not, it's okay. Try to keep text titles short, because your book needs to look good. Title and cover designs are the most important parts of your book, right? So let's just copy this book description to this place just in case, so that everything is fine. Now a genre, let's pick out fantasy as a genre for this, or let's say it's a children's book. Okay, and in the visual style, let's pick out something really nice, like let's say what should we pick something really nice. One of my favorite things is pop art, so I'll just pick out pop art here. And then when you click on generate prompt, the system is going to create a beautiful prompt for you, and we'll take this prompt and then create an AI generated front cover, and from there we will move on to creating this whole book cover. Okay, so let's see, it is created a vintage gramophone takes center stage, playing amidst a swirling cascade of vibrant autumn leaves. Okay, so if you don't like this, you can generate the prompt again. So let's do that. Okay, and hope to get a better prompt or something different. Like I don't want a vintage gramophone on a children's book which is about a serpent and spirits, right? So okay, now let's see this. A whimsical pop art inspired composition featuring a top hat brimming with swirling ghostly tendrils. Sounds nice. So what I would suggest is go through this entire AI prompt and then make changes if you want to, and then click on generate AI front cover. Now this is going to take around 30 to 60 seconds or sometimes around 90 seconds depending upon the complexity of what you are telling the AI to generate, right? So in around 30 to 60 seconds, you will have a beautiful front cover with text. Let's see what you're going to get. Oh, okay, great. So now you have this beautiful front cover, right? It says spirits, snafus, and a serpent. And the author's name is Mahesh. So I am Mahesh. So the author's name is Mahesh. Now go ahead and generate an AI back cover for the same. Okay, so you need a simple back cover. You don't need a lot of graphics on the back cover because back covers need to be simple, right? So it has now created a beautiful back cover. The next thing that you need to do is choose, let's go to the spine section. So in here you get controls for everything, but the font sizes for title, subtitle, author, back title are really not required because now it's AI generated. These are features from the AI generate, the part 1 of it. This one, AI generate, if you use, you'll need to use all of those. But now, you just need to change the spine title. Let's say triple XL for spine title and spine title, spine author as XL. Okay, I'll reduce this, change this to Mahesh only. Now, let's try to change the color of the author. So you can change the colors over here to whatever you want to. Alright, so let's try and make it like this. Now let's try to make it brighter with white. Okay, so you have the title and you have the author's name and you have everything else now. So your cover is mostly done. And you can also increase the size of the back cover characters. Like for example, you have back title. Let's go up. So you have back title, XL, description. Let's do XL. Oh no, let's reduce it to large or medium for that matter. Let's keep author bio as also medium. And you can change the colors of the text here, and you can change the colors of the text here. Okay. So this sounds good for us now to download the preview image and see what exactly we're going to get. Okay, so give it a moment so that it will download the file. And now you get a beautiful cover which is touching over here to the logo. So we'll need to fix this a little bit. Other than that, you have a beautiful cover, right? So what you should do is probably reduce the size of this, change this from change it to Georgia maybe, right? Reduce this to XXL, the spine title, and then again download the preview image. Okay, and now you have a beautiful cover with title and you have a beautiful spine as well. Okay, you can take the same thing in PDF. Okay, let's take the PDF and see how it looks. So the PDF also is pretty beautiful. It's added a new color to the spine and it looks way more beautiful, right? So that is so beautiful. So you have a complete cover. If you want to visualize how this book will look in 3D, you can click on the 3D visual and it's going to show you how this book is going to look, and it looks so beautiful. This book looks beautiful, right? One of the best covers ever. So this is how you create a book cover for your book. And what's most important is have the right ISBN, because ISBN code gets generated over here, and there's a trim size and page count that you need to take care of, and also the price. Ensure the price is same when you publish. If it's $3.99 or $4.99 here, add the proper pricing. Okay, so that it also gets shown here as the price and the ISBN. Now, this was your beautiful book cover.